Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 4th grade concept of representing an unknown quantity. This is standard 4.5a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 14 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So Aaron has 12 pictures from a field trip and some, okay, so that's not really known, pictures from a vacation. She has twice as many pictures from a vacation as from the field trip. So we need the strip diagram that represents P, total number of pictures she's got. And you see we got 12 in each of them. All right, so that's 12 pictures from the field trip. So I guess the pictures from the vacation are going to be either 24, 6, 12, or 2. So let's draw a picture. We can also use an equation. Well, let's start with a picture. Okay, so 12 pictures from a field trip. So I'm just going to draw some F's. These are going to be my field trips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so it's just a very long column. We've got 12 different photos, each of them represented by F because F for field trip. Now, here's the only clue we have. It's this sentence right here. Some pictures from vacation. That doesn't help us, but she has twice as many pictures from the vacation as from the field trip, twice. So I'm going to put V next to each F, but twice. We need to know twice equals double. We could also call it 2 times, or we can represent it with 2x. Either way. So each of these field trips has 2 vacations, because since the field trip has got 12, I need to double that. So I'm going to draw it like this to kind of represent. And you should probably be thinking, okay, I've got for my vacation here, I've got 2 across, and this is 12 down. Okay, so that's going to be 24. So that makes sense. Here's another way that we could have looked at it. We could have looked at it with an equation. Twice as many pictures from a vacation as a field trip. So we could have said vacation equals 2 times, because that's what it says, twice as many from the vacation as the field trip. So 2 times the field trip. Well, they tell us that the field trip is 12. So we could have said vacation equals 2 times, and then I'm just going to replace this field trip with 12 since they give that to us. And so what is 2 times 12? Well, that's going to be 24. So we could have done it with an equation. We could have done it with a picture. Now we need to match our strip diagram. So we need to have our vacation as 24, and we need the 12 to match here from the field trip. So we see here, it does look like I've got that 12 and that 24. For F, let's look at the other ones. G, they took that 12, instead of doubling it, they cut it in half. That's where that 6 came from. H is we're just not sure. So, or maybe twice means we're going to see 12 twice. Maybe that's where H comes from. And then this 2, took me a while to figure this out, but this 2 is literally just the number 2 for twice. But that's not what we really need here. So our answer is going to be F.